Hello everyone, meet me again, Asep Koswara Supriyatna. I'm going to talk about public speaking. General structure of a formal speech. Opening, greeting and salutation. Acknowledge audience, organizers, state purpose or theme. Attention grabber, quote, statistic, question or short story. Body, main points, usually 2, 3 points, each point with evidence, example, or story. Logical flow, chronological, problem solution, cause effect, etc. Conclusion, summarize key points, restate message or purpose, call to action or inspiring closing statement, express gratitude. Sample speech 1. Leadership in the workplace. Good morning, distinguished college, respected leaders, and dear friends. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today at this conference. We gather not only to share knowledge, but also to inspire each other in our journey of leadership. As John Maxwell once said, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Today, I want to reflect on what true leadership means in our organization. First, leadership is about vision. A good leader provides direction and helps others see beyond the present challenge toward future possibilities. Second, leadership is about service. True leaders do not command from above, but serve alongside their team, empowering each individual. And third, leadership is both resilience. In a world of constant change, leaders must be adaptable, innovative, and courage in the face of uncertainty. In summary, leadership is not a title, but a responsibility to guide, serve, and inspire. I invite each of us to reflect on how we can embody vision, service, and resilience in our roles. Together, let us not only lead organization but also build communities of trust and growth. Thank you. Sample speech 2, Education for the Future. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed educators and honored guests, good afternoon. Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. In the seminar, I would like us to reflect on the future of education in preparing the next generation. Education today faces three major challenges. First, the challenge of relevance. Are we teaching students skills that will prepare them for a digital and globalized world? Second, the challenge of equity. How do we ensure that every child, regardless of background, has access to quality education? Third, the challenge of adaptability. The rapid pace of technology requires schools to constantly evolve, adapting new methods of teaching and learning. To overcome this challenge, we must commit to innovation, inclusivity, and lifelong learning. The future of education is not about classrooms filled with information, but about nurturing curiosity, creativity, and compassion. Together, let's build a generation ready not just for jobs, but for life. Thank you. Sample speech 3, Technology and Innovation. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to join this meeting and speak about a topic that touches all aspects of our professional and personal lives, technology. As we step further into the 21st century, innovation is no longer optional. It is essential. Technology brings efficiency, enabling us to do in minutes what once took days. It creates connection, linking people across continents in real time, and it fosters opportunity, opening doors to new industries, careers, and ideas. However, with these opportunities come responsibilities, ethical use of data, protection of privacy, and ensuring technology serves humanity, not the other way around. In conclusion, technology is not just a tool, it is a force shaping the future. Let us embrace innovation while guiding it with wisdom, responsibility, and humanity. By doing so, we ensure that progress benefits not just a few, but all. Thank you.